Hi, I'm John, and I'm the Jigsaw Puzzler. I've been puzzling all my life, and I'd like to start off today by showing you the very first puzzle that I think that I ever owned. This tiny little beaten up box contains a little set of animal puzzles. It's by Otagiri, it's a Japanese puzzle company, and as you can see, the box is really beaten up. I loved these puzzles when I was small. And so let's open them up and have a look. So the first puzzle we've got here, each one has a board and as a frame, and the pieces fit inside the frame. So we have sheep, we have camel, and I do have all the pieces for that. We have elephant, we have lion, and we have tiger. Oh, and we have giraffe. I have all the pieces. Some of them are quite fragile. Giraffe, for example, many years ago, I performed a repair on the frame. So if we take it apart, you might be able to see that it's quite narrow here between where the ear fits in and the edge of the frame. Well, that broke through, and I have done a childhood repair with some sticky tape to hold that together. I don't know how old I was when I got this puzzle. But these got me hooked from a very young age. And I'm really pleased that I've still got them. I've seen copies of them available for sale on eBay for up to $35 for the set. Well, this set is not for sale, and I don't know if I'd pay $35 for it. But it is a real beauty. My set here has been well loved, so you can see there are parts of the backing coming off. There's some light discoloration on the white parts, but the whole set is actually complete. Yeah, some bending. It's been quite well loved over many, many years. So they were my very first jigsaw puzzles. And over the next episodes, we're going to take a tour through my vintage jigsaw puzzle collection, as well as a lot more of the recent ones that I've acquired. There we are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The Safari Puzzle Educational Picture Puzzle for Preschool Children set. Probably from the early 1970s.